Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of making a jagged edge around an item. I started thinking about, we went to a little bit of trouble to make this, and you could do this with the zipper effect under the distort. So let's start off with a 24-inch circle like we had, press P, which doesn't really matter. Get the distort tool, go to zipper, and then set this on like 200. But then set this and you can see the zipper start growing. Let me zoom in here a little bit. And then you could go to your desired amount of height of your zipper. That's about what we had before. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the Shift key when I move this in. So it grows from the center, and then voila. It's a little bit different, but he wasn't trying to get it perfect. This is perfect, but probably a lot quicker. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.